Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Avast Premium Antivirus for free. So first go to my video description and click on the first link, or go to the browser and search Avast Antivirus Trial. Now press free download. Now it will be downloaded like this. After downloading, double click on the .exe file. Now it will be installed. It will take some time. Now press install. Now close it and a pop-up will open itself. Now go to settings and click troubleshooting. Now untick self-defense and close it. Now go to my description and press on the second link, download it. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it again. After that, open Avast, go to my subscription, and press enter. Activation code. Now under open, choose, use a license file. Now go to Avast license file. In that, go to the second file and double click on the Avast file. Now press continue. Now you are all set. You have successfully installed Premium Avast. Hope you guys enjoyed, so please leave a like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more.